Hey guys, so I have this gig coming up, and I'm rehearsing the song "Fire and Rain" from James Taylor. And I always been playing this by ear only, and now it's kind of cleaning it up right now. So I might as well just film it and show you the process. Okay, my process. So first, this song requires a capo. You put it on the 3rd fret here. We're actually in the key of C. But since you have a capo here on the 3rd fret, you treat this 3rd fret as 0 fret from now on. That way you can use your open 1st position chords. Okay. So now when I say A, I'm using an A shape. Okay. D shape or G shape. Thinking that the capo is 0 fret. Okay. If it's very confusing for you, take a shirt or something. You just cover it up. Cover up. I mean, this is just extreme, but if it's just confusing you visually, cover it up with a black shirt like this. Now I treat this as 0 fret now. Okay. So here we go. First, it's an A shape. We use an A shape here, but here, this is an A bar chord. Okay, we're treating this 0. So we first we plug the A string, and then I use my 1st finger to slide the 4th fret, went to the 6th fret. Okay, remember this is 0, so 1, 2, 3, 4 right here. Then I slide it going to the 6th fret. But I'm plucking the A string at the same time, and I'm taking this A bar chord, half of it. Taking this shape here. So it's really a bar chord here. But just 2 fingers. Okay. Then we slide it back down here, and same shape. This time when you slide it back down, you pluck the E string like that. So what we have so far is it. Okay. Then you take a D shape with an open E string, and use your 2nd finger to kind of hammer it on. Like that. Then hammer it back on. Something like that. Okay? That's what I hear so far. Then an A shape with an open B string, hammer on the 3rd finger. So far we have. Okay. Then you have this octave. Something like that. So if you think about it, it's just A string and an octave A if you're treating this as A, okay? So far we have. And then, so it's like back to A, but you have this pinky fretting the 3rd fret. That's a pull off. Pull off, pull off. And then you play that G string and then hammer on. So we have. So then you add that tang, and then an E. Now you can strum that if you want to. Okay, and then G. Now this is like a G major 7. Back to A. So far we have this. E, then G. So what I do there, the bass, this E string does this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then my other fingers will play in between the upstrums. Basically doing this. Like that, so E, if you can do that, just do this, right? Then you lessen the strumming and focus on a particular string. So it goes alternating. So if you practice this, that's good. Then you just lessen and then focus on each string. So then go back to A. So far we have this. There you go. That's the intro. Once you get that intro, the rest is the verse is the same. So, but instead of doing this, just yesterday morning they let me know you were gone. I just go straight to the A chord. Yesterday morning, then I do this G, but with an over E. If you think about it, it's like an E minor 7. So E, A. Yesterday morning, just emphasizing this notes here, right? So yesterday morning, oh sorry, yesterday morning they let me know you were gone. That part here goes throughout the song. Same chords as the intro. So I do that variety. I mean, it's my variation, just to give something. Okay, for the chorus is D. It's like a stepping down. The bass is stepping down, but the chord, you retain the chord shape. So it's a D. I've seen fire and I've seen rain. It goes D, C sharp. Then I do this B, but retain like a B minor 7. Okay. And then maintain that shape with an E string. So I've seen fire and I've seen rain. A. Then do that riff again. Then repeat. Sunny days I thought would never end. Same thing. And that part, the last line. I always thought that I'd see you again. That's a G, F sharp over F sharp, E minor. I do an E minor, and then A. I do this A, add 9, right? And then you can stick to this, or okay, take away that middle finger. Then go back to the second verse. I do that, man. That's my thing. So yeah, that's about it. The ending is just an instrumental on A, and this chord here. It's like an A minor 7 with a B. Okay, so A major, add 9, that open B string, and then just that single finger here. then so what I do in my when I'm playing with my band, I do this. So I never thought that I'd see you again. Then I say, I thought I'd see you one more time again. It's just a few things that come my way this time around. So it's just repeating A and this chord. And after that whole thing, we have this version of my full band. I do this. It's just all A's. Different inversions. Sometimes I do a solo, just a very light, not intrusive solo for the song. Something like that. No, not like that. Okay. But yeah, just very light solo, not too invasive. You know what I mean? Just respecting the whole song, okay, the whole vibe of the song. There you go. So there you go. So I hope this helps, and I'll see you in the next one.